Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy meme coins on Solana. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser that you are using in your PC or in your mobile device, and in the search bar of it, you will have to type dexscreener.com. Once done, you will be landed on DexScreener website where you are going to see a bunch of different meme coins on Solana chain. We are using text screener because we want the address of that particular meme coin that you want to get. So let's say you want to get the dupe coin, so you just have to basically select that particular coin which you want to get, and in order to find their respective address, you will have to scroll down, and here you are going to see this pair, dupe and Solana address. So you will have to tap on Solana, and then it will show you that your address is copied to the clipboard. Now once you have successfully copied the address, you will have to download and install Phantom Wallet in your device. After that, you will have to create your account on Phantom Wallet, and once done, you will be shown this type of home page over here where you need to have Solana in your account. Now in order to buy Solana, you will have to click on buy, and then you need to select Solana. After that, you will have to enter the amount of Solana that you want to purchase. Then you need to press next. After that, it will ask you to choose the payment method. So you can choose MoonPay, and within MoonPay, you can use your card, Google Pay and bank transfer. You can even choose Coinbase Pay. So regardless of whichever payment methods you choose, you just have to conclude your payment in order to purchase Solana. Now once you have Solana in your Phantom Wallet, you will have to tap on this browser tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and then you just have to click on Radium. Once I've done that, you will be landed on radium.io where you will have to click on launch app. Now over here, let me tell you that Radium is a bit slow, so you will have to wait for some time until it is responding. So over here, as you can see that Solana is selected already. So over here, you will have to select that meme coin that we have selected from Dex Screener. So in order to do this, in the to section, you will have to tap on this drop arrow button. Then in the search bar, you will have to paste the address that we have just copied. Now after pasting the address, it will show you the respective coin over here, and after selecting that coin, you will have to tap on the swap button in the bottom, and you will have to start the swapping process. This way you will be able to purchase meme coins on Solana, and you will be able to see that in your Phantom Wallet. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.